Hey guys, welcome back to Sam and Jazz. Today I am going to be making some normal glue slime. So the ingredients that you will need to make this slime are some PVA glue. I'm using PVA glue because that for me works the best. You can also use any type of clear glue or any other glue, but you can't use any wood glue or any other type of glue, but I'm just suggesting that PVA glue works best. Then you will need some water, some baking soda, some eye solution, which is also called contact lens solution, and some paint. That's optional if you want to use it to color your slime. I'm using it. So guys, I'm gonna first of all open my container and add in some glue in. So guys, I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna add in the whole entire bottle of this glue. And I'm planning to color my slime something purplish, like a purple color, but I don't want it to be all purple. I want it to be like what's the word? Like pink as well. I want it to be pink and purple, but I don't want it to be maroon. Just like a really, not like shocking pink, like just pink with a hint of purple in. So at this moment I was thinking, should I add in the whole bottle or not? So I was like, who am I kidding? I'm just gonna put the whole bottle. Okay guys, you guys can totally try this recipe out because it's 100% real. It works so well. It's so nice. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna add in some paint to make my slimes colorful. So I'm gonna add this royal blue and this red color to make kind of like a pinkish purple color. And I actually noticed it matches my background, so that's great. So guys, as you can see, it's already starting to like clog up so much. So it wasn't like really turning into a red color. So I was like, why don't I just add more red? And I think this time the color turned pink. So like now I'm just gonna add in a tad bit of this royal blue color. Like I love this blue color. It's so pretty when you like paint or something. So yeah. Alright guys, here I go, just adding a little bit of blue in. Hopefully this is enough to make it a purple color. Okay guys, that is not working, but there's a humongous bubble in there. Whoa, it's not popping. Pop. Okay, whatever. Alright, now I'm just, okay guys, so you might be asking, where can you buy contact lens solution or like eye solution? You can buy it at an optician's, like an eye center. Yeah. Okay guys, so I added more blue in because I was like, why isn't this working? Like the pink color is, so I just kept on mixing just blue in case if the color decided to change. And this was the result of the color. I was pretty happy with it because this is so nice. So guys, the color did change after a while. So now I'm just gonna add some water so it's pretty stretchy, you know. So I had to put the water in off camera because it was spilling everywhere. So like there you go, I added some water in. So I'm now just gonna mix that in. It's already starting to glock up. Yeah, but soon it's gonna become so thin because of the water. Yeah, and by the way, don't add a lot of water cause if you add lots of water, it's going to turn into a jiggly slime, which I don't really like because you can't anything do with it. So that's why I hate jiggly slime. So I accidentally did add a little too much water, so I had to add a little bit more glue to make it clog up again. So now guys, I am going to be adding some baking soda to activate it. So I'm just going to be adding a pinch of baking soda. I'm not actually using accurate measurements because I've already made slime before and I'm just showing it to you guys. So like, yeah. So now I'm just gonna mix in well. So it looks like I did not mix. So now I'm just gonna add my contact lens solution, which is also going to help the baking soda to make it slimy. So don't add the whole thing at first. Put in like drop by drop, cause drops can even make a huge slime in a huge batch of glue into slime. So just tiny drops. So guys, it took me so long to get it activated, but I actually did it correct. You're not supposed to add the whole thing in, you're just gonna do it slowly. So guys, so it's no longer sticking to the walls of my container. So I just went in and put my finger in, and it does not leave a residue or any type of stickiness on your finger, but it was still very sticky. So if it's very sticky on your guys's, don't add more activator, just play with it or just leave it for a couple of minutes and it'll become good. So I was like, I just want to play. So I just went ahead with my finger and just kept on poking it and made some bubbles and stuff and tried to make it unsticky, and it actually worked. So guys, I left it out for a couple of minutes, like 10-15 minutes, and here it is now. Oh, it already looks so sticky. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get it out of its container, but it seems like it's not working, so I'm just gonna get it out with my fingers. So it comes out easily, but I'm still scared it's gonna stick to my hand. But I'm letting it out now. Okay guys, it's still very sticky, but it's okay cause I didn't play with it much before. I only played for like a minute. But that's it. That is your slime. Whoa. So I'm just gonna put some ASMR clips to you guys to enjoy. So yeah. So guys, it's so sticky. I'm just gonna play with it just in case it starts to unstick it back and make the little yeah. When it starts doing that, I'll start poking it and use it ASMR for you guys. Okay guys, I let it sit out for a while and it expanded. Oh my god, it's so huge. It's so big now. Just kidding. It's the same old slime. I left it out for a little while and here it is now. It's kind of sticky, but I can still poke it. So here's a small. Poke it now. I did not add any type of activator this time or baking soda. It's 100% what you saw before. It's still sticky. Okay guys, that's it for my video. If you liked it, be sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. And yeah, don't forget to make today an adventure. And go ahead and watch our other videos. Goodbye.